everybody, this is Melanie. Welcome back to Crafting Chaos with Melanie. I hope everybody's doing good today. I wanted to come on here real quick and do a unboxing, showing you some new product that I got from Country Craft Creations, and they have an online store, and I think they may even have like a brick and mortar store. But anyway, I have been doing some retreats with them, but this collection came out and I got an email and I ran and got this collection. This is Simple Vintage Junk Drawer, and this right here is the Collector's Essential Kit. It has 200 and let's see here. I hate that paper. All right. So you get the, what is this? This is the just ephemera pieces, cardstock die cut ephemera, and then the floral bits. And let's see what it says. All right, Simple Vintage Junk Drawer, 202 pieces. You get 12 sheets of double-sided designer paper, 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet, floral bits and pieces, 6 by 12 chipboard stickers, and simple pages page pieces. Wow, that is a mouthful. That's this right here, page pieces. But anyway, let's look at this paper. Are you kidding me? We got to play with this. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at this. I had to have it. Oh, look. Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. All right, and then we have this, and this has got the print, and it looks like it's in French. Well, it is in French. I took a little bit of French. The typewriter, not my favorite. Really love this. So I love the fact that that's not my favorite because I love this side. All right, we have the drawers. This looks like little library drawers. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is pretty. Oh, my goodness, that's pretty. We have the butterflies. Ooh, and look on the back of that. You got your library cards. That is neat. That is neat. I like that. That's so cool. And then we have the blueprint with the flowers and the beautiful butterflies on the back. Wow, look at that. Oh, that's so, oh, are you kidding me on that? Look at that paper. Wow. Okay. All right. And then on the back is writing, again in French. And then this, you've got your clipboards with all the botany on it. I think of botany when I see this. And you flip it, look at that blue. Oh my gosh, guys, that blue is stunning. And then you have your tag sheet. Simple Stories always has this in here. Then you have your journal elements. And then on the back you have, ooh, this is so pretty. It's like different ledgers and they're going in each direction. You got some going this way and up. It's so pretty. Your 3 by 4 cut aparts. And then you have florals on the back. You have your 4 by 6 cut aparts. Ooh, this is so pretty. Moments fade, memories last forever. I love this. The loveliest thing are tucked between the pages of life. Okay, so that's the paper collection. And then this is, oh wow, this is the chipboard stickers. So let me show you what I did. And I'm going to tell you right now, I'm probably going to go back and get another, just the 12 by 12 paper, because I didn't realize some of these sheets I wanted two of. Now, it also comes with the page pieces. Let's see, I'm just going to put this up there. timeless moments, memories to treasures. Oh, I love this key with the butterfly. I think that's so pretty. And then we have just floral bits. So this looks like florals and butterflies. I'm not going to open it. When we work with this, I'll definitely open it. But something else that I did order was a couple of extra sheets. This is what I like about Country Craft Creations, and I think Cherry on Top does it as well. They have the individual sheets, and with Simple Stories and Echo Park, and I think it's important to have that option because of the cut aparts. You know, you only get one of each paper in here, which drives me crazy. We know that. So I did order an extra blue that had the small things. It's called Small Things, but the clipboard's on there. So I did order an extra sheet of that. I did order I ordered this extra. I guess because of that right there. Okay, and then I ordered the journal elements. I ordered this sheet, and then I ordered the 4x6 cut aparts. So I did order an extra sheet of these. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm glad I did. And then these cut aparts as well. Okay, so I do have extras of those, but I see especially this green. Now, where's that at? Where did it go? There's the blue. There was a green, wasn't it? Or pink. Like that blue that oh no, brown. Look at that. I've got to have more of this. Okay. And with this, I also ordered the cardstock. So this is the Simple Vintage Junk Drawer Solids. I think they're called Solids. Basics. This is the basics. Ooh, I'm sorry. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, so this right here is basics. Oh, look at that. And I think they're all the same. They are. They're all the same, just different hues, different colors. So obviously we're going to be doing a mini album with this 100%. I haven't told you guys what I committed to doing, so I'm going to put this out in the universe. That way I do it. My son's wedding is in June, and it's a small wedding. We're having it in Italy. And so I had told Beth that I wanted to do a mini album of some sorts or folio of some sorts as a wedding gift to the guests that are coming and making this incredible trip to Italy. And I thought, how cool would it be for them to have a book to put their memories in? And guys, this collection is stunning. I might have to make a couple with this. Alright, so that is Simple Vintage Junk Drawer. Let me show you what I do with these now. I get these off of Amazon for paper collections, and I love them. They're my new favorite thing in the world. I think you get 10 in a pack, and I'm going to link these because these are awesome. These are awesome because you don't have to deal with the stickiness from this. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. So what I do is I'm putting this paper collection in these envelopes, and what's so cool about them is they open up, so they're not flat. See, do you see that? You have room. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the paper collection and put it in here. And then I'm going to take the solids and put those in here. And then your journal bits. And then all this is here in one spot. when I start working on this. I'm gonna be honest with you. I want to work on this now. Like I don't want to put this up. It's so pretty. Now these are a little bit bigger. Do you see that right there? I'm not going to stress about it. It's fine with me. I don't mind that that flap doesn't shut all the way. So I'm just going to put that flap down in the back. I'm fine with that. I don't mind. So this is how I do my collections now. And then I get them out and I start using them. And what I found that is working so good, guys, I'm going to tell you something. This is probably one of my favorite things I have bought this year. I just had it. I literally just had it. It's a sticker book, and I got this from Maymay. They got come in a couple of weeks ago, and I will link this if it's still there because, guys, I love this thing. This is a book, right? And you know I have my ephemera book. I already have my ephemera book, but stickers. I've never had any place to put my stickers, and so, you know, stickers are definitely out of mind. Look at this, and you stick them down to the paper, and the paper is sticker paper. So what I do is I get the stickers out and I use them, and when I'm done with the collection or what I'm working on, then I put it in the book. Maybe next time I'll put them all in the book and we'll work from that. As you can see, this Believe, I did do a review or a walkthrough of my Believe album that I made, and these are the stickers that I had left from that, and I still have more Believe paper, so I will definitely be using these up. But it is full. It has got, it's a lot of sheets. I don't know how many's in here, but this, I love this. This is one of my favorite purchases this year. Very simple. So I did get that this month too. Anything else that I want to show y'all? Oh my goodness, I think that's it. I wanted to show you this and this paper collection because this, oh my gosh, guys, this paper collection's stunning. I have a feeling this is going to sell out. It's a good one. This is a good paper collection, and definitely in January we will be using this. For sure. I'm not putting this up. We are definitely using it. Alright, guys, that is just a quick unboxing video I wanted to show you. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and you have a great weekend. Until next time, bye.